Welcome to my channel. Why Arlo Video Doorbell not connecting to Wi-Fi? Best fix explained. 1. Check Wi-Fi network. Make sure your Arlo Video Doorbell is within range of your Wi-Fi router and the internet is working properly. 2. Restart your router. Turn off your router, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on to refresh the network connection. 3. Check Wi-Fi band. Most doorbells work better with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so ensure your router has 2.4 GHz enabled. 4. Move the doorbell closer. If the doorbell is too far from the router, the signal may be weak. Try moving the router closer if possible. 5. Restart the Arlo doorbell. Remove power from the doorbell or restart it from the Arlo app to refresh the connection. 6. Update the Arlo app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Arlo app on your phone. 7. Check Wi-Fi password. Ensure you are entering the correct Wi-Fi password while connecting the doorbell. 8. Reset the doorbell. Press and hold the reset button on the Arlo doorbell for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LED changes. 9. Reconnect using the Arlo app. Open the Arlo app, tap Add Device, and follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect the doorbell. 10. Contact Arlo support. If the problem still continues, contact Arlo customer support or check firmware updates. Thanks for watching.